That 20 minutes practice will help you very much. You can see the change within 15 days yourself. And do at a comfortable space, calm surroundings, minimum 3 to 4 hours. Keep your stomach empty, which you will not feel any difficulty. Best time to do is in the morning, but if you start with in the morning, you feel pain and you may reluctant to lose the interest. Better you start from the evening time. After 15 days practice, then slowly you shift into morning time. Pranayamam and other things, if you do in the morning, it will be very useful because fresh oxygen is available in the atmospheric conditions. Okay, we will begin the class, and I request all of you, if you have any specific questions which related to your personal health, you can call my mobile number, which I shared in the group, because we will not waste all of our time because the time is very short and we have to learn more. So you can call me anytime after 6 o'clock every day. I am ready to answer your questions, your clarifications. Just follow me simply. Whichever is possible, you do it. You don't feel that I cannot able to follow, whether I'm missing something, whether it will affect me or not. Don't worry about that. Everything will be streamlined in 4 classes. So no need to worry. We are going to do for more than 3 months time. So everybody will gain whatever I learned. You will get that message. I learned this from my father, and I attended various courses from Sri Ravi Shankar, and his spiritual thought made me to conduct yoga class from last 20 years. It is a big transformation happened to me, and my vision to the world is completely changed from that time onwards. And I started this website from 2016 to mark International Yoga Day. So that also one of the achievement. I am keep on adding new information to the website. If you go through the website, you will get clear information about all the practices. You no need to worry. You can watch anytime and you can prepare yourself in the background. Okay, we will proceed the practice. Thank you very much for joining me. Okay, first, our important thing is joint rotation. Joint rotation means you have to lift your leg and rotate. For some people, they may lose balance. Better you keep your chair beside you, hold the chair, and you can practice so that you can comfortably do. Our main aim to rotate the joint. Okay, first we will begin with joint rotation. Raise your right leg, rotate the ankle clockwise 6 times. Anti-clockwise 6 times. Use your breathing normally through the nose. Always keep your facial muscles smiling and relaxed. Then interchange your leg. Lift your left leg, rotate the ankle clockwise 6 times. Hope all of you hearing me clearly. Then anti-clockwise 6 times. And relax. Now hold your knee, keep your head straight, rotate the knee 6 times clockwise. Keep your head straight. Those who have knee pain, don't do this. Just do at your comfortable level. Any exercise you feel difficulty, don't do it. Then anti-clockwise 6 times. Children can do very well. Then hip rotation, hold your hip. One minute. Some message is coming. Hold your hip, rotate. When you stretch your stomach, breathe in. When you bring your stomach back, breathe out. Then opposite side. And relax. For the spine rotation, yes, stay straight. Breathe in, bend back. Breathe out, bend forward. Breathe in, bend back. Breathe out, bend forward. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. And relax. For the shoulder rotation, shoulder joints, breathe in, raise your shoulders upwards. Breathe out, lower down. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Opposite side, breathe in, breathe out. 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 And relax. Now for the neck rotation, those who have pain in the neck, do it slowly. Don't force yourself. Just hold your hands at your hip level. Breathe out, lock your chin. Breathe in, off round. Breathe out, other off round. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Then opposite side, breathe in, off round. Breathe out, off round. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. And relax. Now for the whole body stretch, you can stay straight. Breathe in, raise your both arms and turn your palm upwards. Breathe out and relax. When you breathe in, stretch your whole body, stand on your toes, hold your breath, stretch more, feel that somebody pulling you from the roof, stretch more, feel the expansion in all the joints, stretch more, breathe out and relax. One more time, breathe in, raise your arm upwards, hold your breath, stretch your whole body, stand on your toes. You can walk back and front. Hold your breath, stretch more, feel that somebody pulling you from the roof, feel the expansion in all the joints. Breathe out and relax. That's all. Just keep your eyes closed for a while. When you breathe in, expand your chest and pull your stomach inwards. When you are in standing, yes. I hope audio is clear to all of you. Rajesh, is it clear? Okay, very good. Just keep your eyes closed. Take a deep breath in. Expand your chest without holding the breath. Breathe out and feel the relaxation. Keep your mind in breathing and your chest expansion. Without holding the breath, breathe out and feel the relaxation. Every day before doing yoga, if you do this joint exercise, it will be very useful. After a few days, I will transform this to Surya Namaskaram. That will be the similar function. Okay, now we will start first yoga. Those who are doing for the first time, just watch me on the first round, then you can join along with me. keep your legs straight, Ardha Chakrasana. Keep your thumb finger touching your lower back and remaining finger resting over the hip bone. Stretch your arm towards your back as much as you can. While breathing in, keep your eyes open, bend backwards. Do normal breathing in and breathing out in this stage. While breathing in, feel the expansion of your stomach muscles. While breathing out, feel the relaxation of your stomach as well as your lower back muscles. Stay in this position for 3 to 4 rounds of breathe in and breathe out. Slowly, while breathing out, come forward and relax. Initially, don't bend too much. Just maintain your balance. Slowly, you can able to go. Now, all of you join me. Keep your legs together. Keep your thumb finger touching your lower backbone. Remaining finger resting over the hip bone. Stretch your arm towards your back. While breathing in, keep your eyes open. Bend back. Stay in this position for 3 to 4 rounds of breathe in and breathe out. Slowly breathe out, come forward and relax. This is called Ardha Chakrasana. Very useful for your eyes and for your thyroid glands. One more round. Keep your thumb finger at your lower back. Stretch your arm towards your back. While breathing in, keep your eyes open, bend back. Slowly breathe out, come forward and relax. Next one, Trikonasana. Stretch your legs 2 feet apart. Breathe in, raise your both arms. While breathing out, bend onto your right side and raise your left arm upwards and focus the roof through your left arm. Always your facial muscles should be relaxed and your knee should be straight. Don't hold your hand, apply pressure. Just allow your hand to slide over. Then you will allow more stretch to the body. Then focus the roof through your left arm. Do normal breathing in and breathing out. While breathing in, feel the stretch of your hip muscles. This is very useful exercise for your hip joint and hip muscles. Do normal breathing in and breathing out in this stage. Slowly breathe in, come up, breathe out, come back to normal. Now, opposite side, breathe in, stretch your leg, raise your arm. While breathing out, bend onto the left side. Focus the roof through your right arm. Do normal breathing in and breathing out in this stage. Concentrate your muscle movement while breathing in and breathing out. Slowly breathe in, come up. Breathe out, come back to normal. One more round. Breathe in. Raise your both arms. You can, if you are doing 2-3 people together, just allow sufficient space at your home. And you can do that. While breathing out, bend onto the right side and focus the roof through your left arm. Do normal breathing in and breathing out in this stage. This is very useful exercise for your spine alignment and for the hip joint and your neck joint. Slowly breathe in, come up. Breathe out, come back to normal. This is called Trikonasana. You have to do both sides. Breathe in, raise your both arms. While breathing out, bend onto the left side. Focus the roof through your right arm. Do normal breathing in and breathing out in this stage. Slowly breathe in, come up. Breathe out, come back to normal. Now, second stage of Trikonasana. In this, you will have a hand touching your ears. This will allow more stretch to the hip muscles. That we'll do. Spread your legs 2 feet apart. Breathe in, raise your both arms. While breathing out, bend onto your right side. Keep your left arm touching your ears. Keep your hand parallel to the ground. Don't bend your knees. Keep your knees straight and turn your face to see the wall through your left arm. Always remember your facial muscles should be relaxed, smiling. Other body parts should go stiffness. Slowly, breathe in, come up. Breathe out, come back to normal. Everybody will have a doubt that how long I have to stay in this position. Just count 3 rounds of breathe in and breathe out. One more round, breathe in, raise your both arms. While breathing out, bend on to the left side. Keep your right arm touching your ears and focus the wall through your right arm. Do normal breathing in and breathing out in this stage. Slowly, breathe in, come up. Breathe out, come back to normal. Next one, for the shoulder joints, relaxation. Most of our people are using computer, so their shoulders are more rigid. For them, this is the best exercise. It is called standing peacock yoga. Spread your legs 1 feet apart. Interlock your fingers at the back. While breathing in, bend back. While breathing out, bend forward and raise your arm upwards. Do normal breathing in and breathing out in this stage. Those who have back pain, just monitor carefully and bend slowly. Knee should be straight in this position. Do normal breathing in and breathing out in this stage. Each time you breathe out, bend further down. Slowly, breathe in, come up. Breathe out and relax. This is called Mayurasana, standing position. One more round. One more round. Interlock your fingers at the back. Breathe in, bend back. Breathe out, bend forward. And raise your arm upwards. Do normal breathing in and breathing out in this stage. Feel the stretch at your shoulder joints and your neck joint and lower back muscles. Slowly, breathe in, come up, breathe out, and relax. Next one, chair yoga is otherwise called Utkatasana, which is equivalent to 5-kilometer walking benefit. But prepare that, before that we will do this chair yoga. Just spread your legs 1 feet apart, raise your arm in front of you, keep your arm straight. While breathing out, bend your knee, sit like a chair, keep your head straight, do normal breathing in and breathing out in this stage. When you do this, for the people, those who have hypertension, they may have difficulties in doing this, and don't stay for more time. If you feel difficulty, come back and do it again. Slowly, slowly, you can improve in this exercise. One more round. Just keep your legs 1 feet apart. Breathe in, raise your both arms in front. While breathing out, bend your back, bend your knees, and stay in this position like a chair. Do normal breathing in and breathing out in this stage. Keep your foot firmly on the floor. Concentrate deep breathing in and breathing out. Slowly, breathe in, come up, breathe out, and relax. One more round. Just close your eyes if you feel tired, because this will increase the heart pumping rate. So people may be feeling difficulty. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in, breathe out and relax. Take a deep breath in, breathe out and relax. One more round. We'll do like a chair. Spread your legs 1 feet apart. While breathing out, bend your knees. Sit like a chair. Do normal breathing in and breathing out in this stage. Slowly, breathe in, come up. Breathe out, come back to normal. Now, lie down on the floor on your back. Our exercise sequence, first standing exercise, then lie down on the back, then sitting, then inverted lie down. Just follow me. Lie down on the floor. Keep your hands near to your thighs, palms open to the sky. Close your eyes for a while. Take a deep breath in. Fill your stomach like a balloon. While breathing out, feel the relaxation. Take a deep breath in again. While breathing out, feel the relaxation of your whole body. Take a deep breath in again. Breathe out and feel the relaxation. Now, first yoga in lie down. Lie down straight. Stretch your arm over the head. While breathing out, lift your legs and your body to stay like a boat. For some people, they feel difficulty in balancing their body. Just support your thighs by your hands and stay in this position. For the people, those who have neck pain, they may feel difficulty. Just for them, you can support your legs on the sofa or a chair like this. You can do at your comfortable level. Do normal breathing in and breathing out in this stage. Slowly, slowly, you can lift your legs. If you feel unbalanced, rest on your sofa. This is very useful exercise to strengthen the stomach muscles. Stomach muscles plays a vital role to lift your legs. Legs are heavier part in our body. So this exercise always very useful for your stomach muscles and stomach organs. One more round. All of you ready? Breathe in, stretch your arm over the head. While breathing out, lift your legs and your body to stay like a boat. This is called Navgasana. Keep your facial muscles smiling and relaxed. Do normal breathing in and breathing out in this stage. Feel the vibration of your body.
Ego and Express will come to know whether it's charter or empathy flight.
Slowly breathe in, go back. Breathe out and relax.
Ego and Express will come to know whether it's charter or empathy flight.
One more round. Breathe in, raise your arm over the head. While breathing out, lift your legs and your body to stay like a boat. Do normal breathing in and breathing out in this stage. Slowly breathe in, go back. breathe out and relax. Very useful yoga for everyday practice. Next one, we are going to do Pavana Muktasana, which is very useful for people, those who have gastric troubles, and for the people, those who have pancreas, diabetics, and liver related problems. This is the best yoga for them. Breathe in, fold your right leg, hold your leg by both the arms, hold your breath, press your thigh towards your stomach. While breathing out, lift your head to touch your chin with your knee. If you can able to touch your knee is well and good. Otherwise, you can bend as close as possible. But only thing, you should not lift your left leg or bend your left leg. Left leg should be flat on the floor. Do normal breathing in and breathing out in this stage. Those who had late lunch, don't force yourself. Just do at your comfortable level. Those who feel neck pain, slowly do. Don't force yourself. Slowly breathe in, go back. Breathe out and relax. Now breathe in, fold your left leg, hold your breath, press your thigh towards your stomach. While breathing out, lift your head towards your left knee. Do normal breathing in and breathing out in this stage. Feel the compression in your stomach muscles while breathing in. Feel the relaxation while breathing out. This is the simple concentration you have to do while doing this exercise. This is called Pavana Muktasana. When you do for single leg, it is called Ardha Pavana Muktasana. When you do both the legs, it is called Purna Pavana Muktasana. Now everyone will join together. Breathe in, fold your right leg, hold your breath, hold your right leg by your both arms, press your thigh towards your stomach. Till the time you keep your breath on hold. Slowly, while breathing out, lift your head to touch your chin with your knee or close as possible towards your knee. Slowly, breathe in, go back. Breathe out, stretch your leg outwards and relax. Breathe in, interchange your leg, fold your left leg, hold your breath, press your thigh towards your stomach. While breathing out, lift your head towards your left knee. Do normal breathing in and breathing out in this stage. Slowly, breathe in, go back. Breathe out and stretch your leg outwards and relax. If you feel tired, if you feel heartbeat is beating more, just do normal breathing in and breathing out in this stage. Now, in this point, people, those who have neck pain, continue to do single leg position. For people, those who don't have neck pain, they can do this exercise for both the legs. Just follow me. Breathe in, fold your both the legs, hold your breath, press your thigh towards your stomach. While breathing out, lift your head towards your both the knees. Do normal breathing in and breathing out in this stage. Then slowly isolate yourself Breathe in, sit up, breathe out, lie down. Breathe in, sit up, breathe out, lie down. This will give massage to your backbone and back muscles and all the spine joints. While breathing in, sit up. While breathing out, lie down. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. And relax. This will completely do massage to your stomach organs and complete stretch to the backbone and back muscles and your shoulder joints. All will get benefit. That means it will enhance blood circulation during the normal time. Keep your hands, palms open to the sky, near to your thighs. Take a deep breath in. While breathing out, feel the relaxation of your whole body. One more round. Breathe in, fold your both the legs, hold your breath, press your thigh towards your stomach. While breathing out, lift your head towards your both the knees. Do normal breathing in and breathing out in this stage and feel the compression of your stomach muscles while breathing in. Feel the relaxation while breathing out. Concentrate in your mind. Slowly breathe in, sit up, breathe out, lie down. Breathe in, sit up, breathe out, lie down. For the people, those who are doing for the first time, they may have slight pain. That is normal if you don't underwent for any surgeries like that. Just relax. Slowly turn to your right side. With the help of your left arm, sit up slowly and get ready for sitting practice. In this, first we are going to do pranayamam. Pranayamam is nothing but controlled way of breathing in and breathing out. There are many varieties are there in pranayamam. We are going to focus some three important things which will help in day-to-day living. Slowly we can enhance in the later days. First initial practice, you should do throat breathing, which is very, very important. Everyone should understand. If anyone doesn't understand, please call me after the class in the evening time. I can clarify to you because this is very, very basic, which we are doing every day when we are in deep sleep. We have to do when we are awake to get more benefit out of it. It is very simple. When you use your mouth for breathing, that time you are using the throat muscle for sucking the air and discharging the air. That muscle has to be active, but breathing in should go through the nose. Use that muscle, keep the mouth closed, and use the nose for inhale and exhale. Just concentrate. When you use this breathing, when our normal breathing, our nose muscles will be shrink and stretched. You see the difference. When you use your nose muscle, you feel the nose muscle shrinking and expanding. When you use your throat muscle, nose muscle will not have any change. Air will go through the nose, comes out through the nose, but you will be using the throat muscle. Okay, concentrate, keep your eyes closed. Keep all your fingers touching each other, wrist resting over the knee. Take a deep breath in, breathe out and relax using the nose muscle. Now use your throat muscle for breathing in. You will see the different sound while breathing in. You yourself realize if you use your throat muscle, the sound will be different. And focus your nose muscle that should not have any movement. Just do it for 10 rounds, breathing in and breathing out. No need to hold your breath. Concentrate you are using your throat muscle or not. Just you have to use your throat muscle. Those who feel difficulty in sitting, leg folded condition, they can sit in a chair and do it. That is not a problem. But concentration should be using the throat muscle and keeping your back straight. These two are important things to follow. Feel the sound in your mind while breathing in and breathing out. When you use your nose muscle, you will not notice this sound. When you use your throat muscle, the sound will be different. Main advantage of throat breathing, the volume of air inhalation will be more, so that more purification of blood will happen in your lungs. Concentrate breathing in and breathing out on your own. Always keep your facial muscles smiling and relaxed while doing pranayamam. And other yogas also. And relax. This is very useful breathing practice, which you can do anytime. When you are in sitting position, when you are taking rest, always be attentive to your breathing in and breathing out using the throat muscle. This will relax you more than the nose breathing. Better to do when your stomach is empty to get more benefit. This pranayamam is called throat breathing. Otherwise, it is called Ujjayi breathing. Ujjayi breathing is a Sanskrit word to indicate your throat muscle. Okay, now next one, we are going to do Kapalbhati pranayamam. This is very, very powerful breathing for your general health, for whole body. Keep all your fingers touching each other. Those who are doing for the first time, just watch me, the demonstration. You have to focus your breathe out cycle. You have to focus your breathe out cycle. Breathing in will happen because of the vacuum generated in the stomach muscles. So you no need to focus your inhalation. Only you have to focus exhalation. When you exhale, your stomach should go inwards. Initially, you can press your hand to the stomach to push out the breathe out. Once you know the sequence, then by the stomach itself you can do. When you breathe out, your stomach should go inwards. When you breathe in, you no need to focus, automatically stomach will come out. When to stop this breathing? When you feel pain in your stomach muscles, or when you breathe out, stomach comes out, you should stop doing this breathing. That is the symptom, you can stop. At least at a time, you can able to do maximum 15 rounds. That is enough. Like that, 3 rounds we will do. Every day morning, if you do, it will be very, very useful for your health. Just one more round, all of you getting ready. Keep your eyes closed. Keep all your fingers touching each other. This is called Samana Mudra, which will neutralize your energy level. Keep your wrist resting over the knee and keep your back and neck straight. Those who feel difficulty in sitting, they can sit in the chair and maintain this mudra position. Keep your chin always raised condition. Take a normal breath in, breathe out and relax. Take a deep breath in. While breathing out, pull your stomach inwards and breathe out. Focus your breathe out only. While breathing out, your stomach should go inwards. If you feel pain in your stomach muscles, then stop doing this breathing and open out your fingers and relax. This is called Kapalbhati Pranayamam. This will activate the glands at your facial muscles. Keep your palms open to the sky over the thighs. Feel the sensations in your mind and relax yourself completely. During this time, do normal breathing in and breathing out. Get ready for the second round. Keep all your fingers touching each other. Keep your wrist resting over the knee. Take a normal breath in. Keep your facial muscles smiling and relax. Breathe out and relax. Take a deep breath in. While breathing out, pull your stomach inwards and breathe out. For some people, they may get cough. That is very normal because of toxins thrown out from your mouth. And relax yourself. If you feel pain in your stomach muscles, do normal breathing in and breathing out in this stage. Keep your palms open to the sky and relax yourself completely. Slowly open your eyes. always pranayamam time, it is best to keep your eyes closed. Now we are in the training phase. Next pranayamam you have to watch. During normal practice daily, you keep your eyes closed once you get familiar how to do and all. Okay. Next one we are going to do very powerful breathing practice, which is very useful for your lungs capacity enhancement. Very, very useful breathing exercise. Only limitation, those who have hypertension, they should keep the hand position differently and they can sit in a chair and do it. For them, I will just demonstrate. Other people, for the people, those who have hypertension, they can sit straight, keep your legs together, keep your hands thumb upright over the knees. For them, they should that way they can practice. In this, the main aim, you should inhale at a faster speed, exhale at a faster speed. You should inhale fast and exhale fast. This will increase the pumping rate of your heart. Just do at your comfortable level. Or you can do, if you feel difficulty in doing faster, you can do slowly also. At least increase the speed based on your daily practice. Very useful if you do forceful breathing in, forceful breathing out. Now we will focus for the normal people, how they should do. Sit in the leg folded condition. This is the best position for people to do. For some people, they may feel pain in the ankle because our whole body is acting on the ankle. You can keep a pillow below the ankle joint so that you can able to sit comfortably. Just keep your knee bent position. Those who have knee problem, they can sit in chair and do. So this position is very important. This position is called Vajrasanam. This is the only yoga you can do even after food, which will help your digestion process. Okay. Now, in this position, you have to sit so that this will allow your back and neck straight. You cannot able to kneel down because your ribs will not press the stomach. This position will relax your stomach muscles. Keep your hands folded in front of your shoulder. Don't keep like this. Don't keep so rigid. It should be very much relaxed. When I say in, you should raise your arm up forcefully, breathing in, and open out your fingers. When I say one, you should breathe out, fold your fingers, and give a jerk to the ribs. Just I will do 4-5 demonstration. Everyone, keep watching me carefully. Don't practice right now. I will give a chance to all of you. Keep your hands relaxed. Your facial muscles always should be relaxed. Don't keep that way. Don't keep that much stiffness in your facial muscles. You have to do very relaxedly. Just I will come little friend so that you can watch my facial muscles clearly. See, you have to keep your face smiling. When I say in, you should forcefully inhale. This will open up the unused air bags because of the forceful inhalation. Okay? When I say in, you should raise your arm and open out your fingers. When I say one, breathe out, close your arms, give a jerk to the ribs. Don't keep so rigid. This way you should not do. Should do very relaxedly. But your inhalation and exhalation should be forceful. Okay, get ready. Sit in Vajrasana. One more thing you have to notice. After 20 counts, I will say, keep your thumb finger touching your bottom line of your little fingers. Fold all the other fingers over the thumb. Then press your both the arms together and press your thigh by both the arms. Take a deep breath in using your throat muscle. Hold your breath, lock your chin, stay as long as you can. During this time, you should hold your breath and feel the expansion in all the upper body parts. Okay, we all will do. You will get into practice within 2-3 times. Okay, get ready. Now I will not be doing, I will be giving you the count. Take a normal breath in. Keep your facial muscles smiling and relaxed. Breathe out and relax. Take a deep breath in again. Breathe out and relax. Now breathe in Bhastrika. In 1, in 2, in 3, in 4, in 5, in 6, in 7, in 8, in 9, in 10, in 1, in 2, in 3, in 4, in 5, in 6, in 7, in 8, in 9, in 10, and relax. Keep your thumb finger, bottom line of your little finger. Fold all the other fingers over the thumb. Press your both the arms together and press your thigh by both the arms. Take a deep breath in. Hold your breath, lock your chin. Stay as long as you can able to hold your breath. When you breathe out, first release your chin, then release your arm. This pranayamam is called Bhastrika Pranayamam, powerful breathing practice which will enhance your lungs capacity. And the people, those who have migraine headache, this is one of the best pranayamam they can do daily. Over a practice of 10 to 15 days continuously, they will get a good relief to it. Keep your palm open to the sky. Feel this relaxation in your mind. Get ready for the second round. Keep your arms folded in front of your shoulder. Your neck and back relaxed. Facial muscles smiling. Take a normal breath in. Breathe out and relax. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out and relax. Now breathe in Bhastrika. In 1, in 2, in 3, in 4, in 5, in 6, in 7, in 8, in 9, in 10, in 1, in 2, in 3, in 4, in 5, in 6, in 7, in 8, in 9, in 10, and relax. Keep your thumb finger, bottom line of your little finger. Fold all the other fingers over the thumb. Press your both arms together and press your thigh by both arms. Take a deep breath in. Hold your breath, lock your chin. Stay as long as you can able to hold your breath in this position. When you breathe out, feel the relaxation. Okay, this is called Bhastrika Pranayamam. Now, we are going to do inverted lie down. One yoga, which is called Bhujangasana. Lie down on your stomach. Keep your hands near to your chest, elbows raised upwards. Keep your both legs together, toes stretched outwards. For the people, those who have back pain, they can very well do this exercise, which will be helpful for them. Those who underwent any surgery to the stomach muscles or abdominal muscles, don't force yourself by doing this. While doing this, while breathing in, raise your upper body up to the hip joint on the floor, above the hip joint, over the floor. Bend your neck to see the roof. Do breathing in, feel the stretch in your stomach muscle. While breathing out, feel the relaxation of your stomach as well as your lower back muscles. Slowly breathe out, come down and relax. Name of this yoga, Bhujangasana. Otherwise, it is called Cobra position. Very useful for your thyroid glands and your stomach muscles and for the lower back pain. All of you get ready. Keep your hands near to your chest, elbows raised upwards. While breathing in, raise your upper body, bend your neck to see the roof. Do normal breathing in and breathing out in this stage. Slowly breathe out, come down and relax. Now lie down on your back. We are going to do relaxation yoga, which will be for 10 minutes. Switch off the light and get ready to sleep. Lie down on the floor. This is called Savasana. Keep your hands open to the sky near to your thighs and separate your legs little wide. No stiffness in your leg muscles and your body muscles. Keep your eyes closed. Lie down very relaxedly. Focus your throat breathing for breathing in and breathing out. While breathing in, fill your stomach like a balloon. While breathing out, feel the relaxation. Take a deep breath in. Without holding the breath, breathe out and feel the relaxation. Continue breathing in and breathing out on your own. Feel it in your mind. Each time you breathe in, it brings you energy. Each time you breathe out, it relaxes you more and more. Simple concentration in your mind. Continue breathing in and breathing out on your own. Whenever we do yoga, our body generates heat. That heat will be nullified by doing this savasana. That is why it plays a vital role in yoga practice. Become aware of your surroundings, people around you, and the lights around you. Just accept them as it is, as they are. While breathing out, feel the relaxation of your whole body. Feel the weight of your body in your mind. Allow the body weight to transmit to the ground, and you become very light. Take a deep breath in. While breathing out, feel that you are becoming lighter and lighter. Focus your right foot. Feel it in your mind. While breathing out, feel your right foot muscles getting relaxed. Become aware of your right foot. While breathing out, feel your right foot muscles getting relaxed. Become aware of your right knee. While breathing out, feel your right knee muscles getting relaxed completely. Become aware of your right thigh. Continue breathing in and breathing out using the throat muscle. While breathing out, feel the relaxation of your right thigh muscles completely. Become aware of your right hip joint. While breathing out, feel your right hip muscles getting relaxed. Become aware of your whole part of your right leg. Take a deep breath in. While breathing out, feel your right leg muscles getting relaxed completely. Take a deep breath in again. While breathing out, feel the relaxation of your right leg muscles completely. Become aware of your left foot. Left knee. Left thigh. Left hip joint. You have to focus that point and do breathing in and breathing out. Become aware of your whole part of your left leg. Take a deep breath in. While breathing out, feel the relaxation of your left leg muscles completely. Take a deep breath in again. While breathing out, feel the relaxation of your left leg completely. Become aware of your abdominal parts. Stomach muscles. Your chest. Become aware of your powerful part, your lungs, which exchanges the impurities in a fraction of time through the breath. Admire its wonderful functions to you. By your mind feeling, relax your lungs muscles right now. Take a deep breath in. While breathing out, feel your lungs muscles getting relaxed. Very moment right now. Take a deep breath in again. While breathing out, feel the relaxation of your lungs muscles completely. Become aware of your heart, which is the powerful organ in you, which pumps the blood throughout the corner of your body without a moment rest. Admire its wonderful functions to you. By your mind feeling, give relaxation to your heart muscles right now. Take a deep breath in. While breathing out, feel the relaxation of your heart muscles completely. Your mind has a powerful control over the organ function. You can just focus your heart while breathing out and feel that it is getting relaxed. Take a deep breath in again. While breathing out, feel the relaxation of your heart muscles completely. Become aware of your shoulders and arms. Become aware of your backbone and back muscles. Always holding your body weight, even in sleep. Just give relaxation to your backbone and back muscles right now. Take a deep breath in using the throat muscle. While breathing out, feel the relaxation of your backbone and back muscles completely. Take a deep breath in again. While breathing out, feel the relaxation of your backbone and back muscles completely. Become aware of your neck and throat. Your facial parts, your eyes, your nose, your mouth, your chin. Take a deep breath in. While breathing out, feel the relaxation of your facial organs completely. Take a deep